What's up YouTube, it's Stuff of Life here, and I just got done making fried chicken last night in a cast iron skillet. I do like cooking in cast iron, it's one of my most favorite types of pans to cook in. Now everyone says that you should not put cast iron in the dishwasher, for obvious reasons. But I'm making the very first video on YouTube. I'm sacrificing one of my large skillets to show you what happens if you put a piece of cast iron in the dishwasher. Currently, and I just looked before making this video, there's no video on YouTube of anyone putting a piece of cast iron in the dishwasher. So I'm going to be the first person on YouTube to do this. So I'm going to just simply rinse some of the oil out. I'm not going to scrub it or pre-rinse or anything like you do with normal dishwashers. I'm going to put it in the dishwasher on the normal cycle, and then I'm going to pull it out and show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay guys, so as you can see, the skillet is out of the dishwasher, and while it did an excellent job of cleaning it, as I would suspect, it left quite a bit of rust on it. Now this is just surface rust, I wouldn't even say pitting as far as that goes. So I'm going to go over this with a Scotch-Brite, and then heat it up and put a little oil on it, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So I went over it with a green Scotch-Brite, and the rust pretty much just wiped off. And I heated it up and put some oil on it and wiped it off. As you can see, it looks pretty good again. So I guess you can put cast iron in the dishwasher, but you're going to be prepared to deal with a little rust when it comes out. But this was kind of an interesting experiment because, you know, my entire life I've always had people tell me don't put it in the dishwasher, but no one's ever showed me what it looks like when it comes out. So to all of you watching out there, that's what cast iron looks like when it comes out of the dishwasher. Thanks for watching.